Quick test. Name 3 Lebanese dishes. If you stopped at hummus and shawarma, you're not alone. But you're also missing out on one of the most flavorful, colorful, and underrated cuisines in the world. Lebanese food is fresh, smoky, crunchy, creamy, grilled, stuffed, rolled, and soaked in syrup. Sometimes all in the same meal. It's a cuisine built around sharing. Small plates, warm bread, bright herbs, olive oil, lemon, garlic, tahini, spices, grilled meats, and desserts that can completely steal the show. And the amazing part is that many Lebanese dishes are already famous around the world, but most people don't always know where they come from, how they're really eaten, or what makes the Lebanese version so special. Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking Show at Home. Today, we're counting down 10 famous Lebanese dishes you need to know, starting with simple, everyday favorites and building all the way to a dessert so iconic that it helped inspire one of the biggest food trends of the last few years. So, grab something to eat, because by the end of this video, you'll probably be hungry. Let's get started. Number 10. Moutabal. We're starting with something that looks familiar, but isn't exactly what many people think. This is Moutabal, Lebanon's smoky eggplant dip made with roasted eggplant, tahini, garlic, lemon juice, olive oil, and salt. The secret is the fire. The eggplant is cooked directly over an open flame until the skin turns black and the inside becomes soft, smoky, and almost creamy. That charred flavor is what makes Moutabal so special. People often confuse it with baba ganoush, and the names can vary from place to place. But in many Lebanese kitchens, Moutabal usually refers to the smooth, tahini-based version. It may be number 10, but this is the kind of dish that disappears from the table before the main course even arrives. 9. Fattoush. Next up is the salad that proves salads don't have to be boring. Fattoush is a bright Lebanese bread salad made with crisp vegetables, fresh herbs, lemon dressing, sumac, and the most important ingredient, crispy, toasted, or fried pita bread. That pita isn't just a topping, it's an essential part of the dish, adding crunch and texture while soaking up the tangy dressing. The ingredient that really makes fattoush stand out is sumac, a deep red spice with a naturally lemony flavor that gives the salad its refreshing kick. It's colorful, crunchy, vibrant, and the perfect companion to almost any grilled dish. At number 8, we have Lebanon's everyday breakfast favorite, Manakish. Think of it as a Lebanese flatbread, but don't call it pizza too quickly. Manakish has its own identity. Fresh dough is topped with za'atar mixed with olive oil, cheese, minced meat, or other toppings before being baked until golden. The classic version features za'atar, a fragrant blend of herbs, sesame seeds, sumac, and spices. The aroma alone is enough to make you hungry. Across Lebanon, people often grab freshly baked manakish in the morning, fold it in half, wrap it in paper, and enjoy it on the go. Simple, affordable, and incredibly satisfying. Number 7. Moghrabieh. If you've seen couscous before, Moghrabieh may surprise you. Instead of tiny grains, this Lebanese specialty uses large, pearl-shaped couscous with a wonderfully chewy texture. It's traditionally simmered with chicken or lamb, chickpeas, onions, and warm spices like cinnamon, caraway, and allspice until every bite is infused with rich flavor. The result is comforting, hearty, and perfect for family gatherings. It's familiar enough to recognize, but unique enough to feel like an entirely different dish.
Number 6 is tabbouleh. Here's something many people get backwards. Authentic Lebanese tabbouleh isn't a bulgur salad with some parsley mixed in.
It's a parsley salad with just a small amount of bulgur. Fresh parsley is the star, combined with tomatoes, mint, onions, lemon juice, olive oil, and just enough bulgur to tie everything together. The result is bright, refreshing, and packed with fresh herbal flavor. It's one of the signature dishes of the Lebanese meze table and one of the healthiest dishes on this list. At number 5, we have Warak Enab, stuffed grape leaves. Each grape leaf is carefully filled with rice, herbs, spices, and sometimes meat, before being rolled by hand and slowly cooked until perfectly tender. There are vegetarian versions served cool with olive oil and lemon, and meat-filled versions served warm. Making Warak Enab is rarely a one-person job. Families often gather together to prepare dozens, sometimes hundreds, of these little rolls. It's more than food. It's tradition wrapped in a grape leaf. At number 4, we have one of the Middle East's most famous grilled chicken dishes, Shish Taouk. Chicken is marinated with garlic, lemon, yogurt, spices, and often tomato paste before being grilled over high heat until juicy inside and lightly charred outside. It's commonly served with pita bread, pickles, fries, and one unforgettable sauce, toum. Toum is Lebanon's famous garlic sauce, made from garlic, oil, lemon juice, and salt, whipped into a smooth, creamy emulsion. If you love garlic, you'll probably fall in love with toum after the very first bite. 3. Kibbeh. Now we're entering the heart of Lebanese cuisine. Kibbeh is often considered Lebanon's national dish, and there are many different versions. The best known is a crispy shell made from bulgur and finely ground meat, stuffed with a savory filling and fried until beautifully golden. There's also baked kibbeh, cooked in large trays and sliced into portions. Then there's kibbeh naya, the raw version, made with exceptionally fresh meat, bulgur, and spices, often compared to steak tartare. Whether cooked or raw, kibbeh represents generations of Lebanese culinary tradition and craftsmanship.
Number 2, baklava. Before we reveal number 1, we have one of the world's greatest desserts. Baklava consists of delicate layers of phyllo pastry, butter, crushed nuts, and fragrant syrup. Although versions exist throughout the Middle East and the Mediterranean, Lebanese baklava is especially known for its generous use of pistachios and delicate floral flavors like orange blossom or rosewater. The magic is all about texture: crispy pastry, crunchy nuts, sticky syrup. Every bite delivers the perfect balance. And finally, we've reached number 1, Knafeh. This spectacular dessert combines melted cheese or cream with either semolina dough or crispy shredded pastry before being baked until golden and soaked in fragrant sugar syrup. In Lebanon, Knafeh is often enjoyed for breakfast, sometimes served inside warm sesame bread, creating one of the country's most beloved street foods. The combination of warm cheese, crisp pastry, buttery richness, and fragrant syrup is simply unforgettable. And here's a fun fact: the shredded pastry often used in Knafeh is called kataifi, the very same crispy pastry that became famous worldwide as one of the signature ingredients inside the viral Dubai chocolate bar. That internet sensation may feel new, but the texture behind it has been delighting people across the Middle East for generations. For its incredible contrast of flavors and textures, Knafeh easily earns the number 1 spot. So, there you have it. 10 incredible Lebanese dishes that deserve a place on every food lover's bucket list. Which one would you try first? Let us know down in the comments. And if you're from Lebanon, tell us which dish you think everyone visiting your country absolutely has to taste.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Cooking Show at Home, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new episode. And if you'd like to explore even more amazing cuisines, be sure to check out my Moroccan food and Greek food videos next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.